Awemi yaw anas any Kennedy a sense me as say I just social media afraid a papa bako e nsembia betuja eche so no kwa na woni say anas awemi yaw anas any Kennedy empo ewo case bi ewo US unless say of course social media na oteye na onanso ede onanso agentre abegu emonte so yembora nsemi na yikotie say the onanso agentre esitie na yewia na adwenche bia wonso waja na ewe comment section e ase edi amai
Honorable Suleiman Adam about joining here in the studio, but already we have lawyer Kote in the house and lawyer so yes conversation man course no
mamika say we mundi I just between news no social media.
Oh, okay.
Yes, I was not following it. I'm not even privy to the fact that there's a case between Anat, my very good friend, and Canada Japan in the US. I'm not privy. But there's one thing that we must all know. With the simple culture, there are two issues. Either you win or you lose. Now, when you lose a case in court, the way the court has been structured, if you are not satisfied, you always have the right to appeal. The issue is there a judgment or there is no judgment?
Is there a verdict?
Also, no, not a
no. Start from there.
No.
Don't jump.
There is a verdict. From what I'm hearing, there is a verdict from the jury.
Against who?
There is a verdict from the jury against Kennedy Japan.
Finito.
No. But that is not the final judgment.
Yes.
But that is not the final judgment. So the verdict must then now be adopted by the court as the judgment of the court.
But so which means remember Evans in interview I never said it anywhere say the court has adopted the verdict.
So why jubilating?
Hey, when we say Evans about powder?
No, me can't from what?
No, those jubilating probably are people who don't understand the legal.
You know, when Evans, I think, announced him,
yes,
during the interview, he said something. I don't know whether I'm right, and if he's listening, he can correct me. He said that, well, the parties now want to talk to each other despite the verdict. What is that?
No, or say. After the verdict, no?
Yes, the parties decided to
Kennedy team approach you
yes,
to compromise on the verdict.
No, you see, you can't compromise on the verdict.
No, but
I'm saying that so Kasa, and because it has not gotten to that stage. It has not gotten to that stage. What I say, what is happening? It has not gotten to that stage. The court, from what they are saying, has not given its final judgment. It is true, the jury, made up of 8 individuals, had made a decision against Kennedy Japan. That one is true. Now, at that stage, why discussion? Why? Because even if it is adopted by the court as the final judgment, as the lawyer said, the one worked with the Minister of Education, Kennedy Japan has the right to appeal against the judgment. He has the right to appeal against. So therefore, everybody should exercise patience. Let the final judgment say.
We should know say amount for a jubility.
No, me who be say obi a jubility. No. Me I saw it in social media. Me who physically say obi abo powder say Kennedy Japan a losing case. But I'm saying that from what is even on social media, there is no final judgment. There is no final judgment. Look, to even enforce the judgment, you must put your house in order. You see, mistrial. Why file application for mistrial? Why all those things to make up your case? Let's have the ruling of the court. Let's have it. Before you can say, oh yes, now we have a final judgment. Kennedy Japan, some kind of yet you have lost in somewhere United States. But even let's assume without admitting say Kennedy were losing, and so what? And that's lost in Accra, lost in Ghana. Announce versus Kennedy Ajipon.
Yeah, no Nkrofo can say
so
the same case, different locations, different judgments.
When it happens in Ghana, no, but when it happens in Ghana, when it happens in Ghana, we don't believe in our judicial system. When it happens in Ghana,
we don't believe in our judicial system.
I'm not saying you. I'm not saying
no.
But
even listeners and Ghana for Ghana.
Do you know what Anas said? Do you know what Anas said?
So be specific.
Do you know what Anas said after the judgment? What he said after? Anas is a lawyer. We were mates in school. He's a lawyer. We were mates in school. You must learn to admit defeat. Now you went to the US. I don't know the nature of the case he took to the US. Whether they are the same case. Yeah, they cannot be the same case. They cannot be the same case. They can never be the same case.
Why?
They can a case that has been determined in Ghana. Why should you think that you pick that same case to a different jurisdiction for determination? Won't your lawyer raise the issue that this case had already been considered?
Well, probably you haven't spoken to Kennedy legal team.
No, I'm saying that. So I'm saying that I'm speaking from the lawyer's perspective that the issues cannot be the same. Because the one in Ghana,
okay, so that is not what is in contention.
Yes, but what is in contention now is there a final judgment of the court against Kennedy Ajipon? No, there is a verdict from the jury. That one is true. But as we speak, both legal teams, nobody is able to put on social media that this is the final.
Oh no, but Anas and Crawford made that baby and catch up. What is the issue? Evans was clear on the matter. No, Evans was just explaining the matter.
But he's not explaining the matter. He's not explaining the matter. Is Evans a lawyer?
Yes.
So if he's a lawyer, he should be able to tell you. You see, when you were interviewing him, I keep on telling you that, look, ask him whether there is a final judgment or whether the verdict has been...
said there is any.
So what is the issue now?
No, issue.
So what is the issue now?
It's only one issue.
No, what is the issue now? No, if I ask you, what is the issue?
I haven't passed any comment. I'm just interviewing.
Well, yes.
Yeah, I haven't passed.
But I thought that you put to Evans whether after the verdict,
Evans can't say no. There is no need for me to ask. He was emphatic that the jury, I'm a verdict.
Yes.
Right.
Yes. Sir.
Now the judge or the court needs to adapt the verdict.
So is there a final judgment? So is there a final judgment? No. Pacho, don't let the way go. So is there?
Me anybody that catch was say.
No. Say.
Or say yes, sir. Court will adapt the verdict of the jury
to make it so the adoption will
be judgment.
So based on that, Bobby, let me see. There is no final judgment in the suit.
Okay. So your issue is about there is no final judgment.
Yes.
But your issue is not about the verdict from the jury.
No.
Okay. All right. So I agree. Anyway, Divine Akwaba. What's on that? Okay, so a quick comment from a listener. Bobby, this is the information circulating on social media from the NPP. Okay, so let me leave this.